The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Garvin County in southern Oklahoma, south central Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, southwestern McClain County in central Oklahoma, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Purcell, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pauls Valley, Purcell, Slaughterville, Wynnewood, Lexington, Maysville, Wayne, Paoli, Rosedale, and Whitebead. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Flooded